My name is Jeff Cross. I'm the media director with Cleanfax. I'm here with Amy Prihoda, a company in Connecticut called
Professional Cleaning and Restoration Systems.
Amy was part of a discussion about how important it is for cleaning companies, especially cleaning and restoration,
Yes.
to focus on the health as to why they're selling their service,
Correct.
to take care of their clients, not on, oh, look, there's a stain or the carpet needs cleaned, but a bigger picture. Give us a synopsis of how important that is.
Most people don't really understand what's in their home can be making them feel sick. And, we may outwardly look, like you said, oh, there's a stain, but there's really so many other factors that are going on in the home that are contributing to why people may not be feeling well. And that's really the focus of the presentation, was cleaning and carpet care for clean air.
Everyone finds it much easier to say, we will clean your home, your carpet, your hard floors, because it's dirty and you see the dirt. You have company coming, there's a graduation or something happening, event driven. I thought it was a fantastic presentation. You even had a registered nurse there.
We did.
To talk about why this matters. And her perspective was great because she wants to help as well.
Correct.
But she's on the medical side. When people finally get to her with their allergen issues, they're sick.
They are, but, speaking even from my own experience with my own daughter, there are ways that things can change and things can get better. Unfortunately, some people do end up getting, allergy shots and being on medications because their allergies are so bad. But, the thing is that, we're spending about 90% of our time indoors. And when we're closing up our homes and we're keeping all that unhealthy air inside, all the pollutants and pollens and smog and smoke and everything that we're bringing in, and even the materials that are in our homes, the VOCs that are, from cleaning products and, all the materials that we're bringing into our homes. These are all things that are contributing to really degrading our indoor air quality. And it's getting people to understand that we're not really cleaning for appearance. We need to be cleaning for health. And we need to be cleaning more than just the carpets. There's all sorts of soft surfaces in our homes that can hold these allergens and pollutants and bacteria and viruses in them. And we really need to be focusing on that. So when we are spending all that time indoors, we could feel better and feel healthier and be comfortable in our homes.
And folks, remember, you're hearing this from a mom.
From a mom.
And a business owner.
Correct.
And you were taking your daughter to the doctor.
Yes.
So what was the solution? What was one of the solutions?
One of the solutions was medication.
Okay.
That was the solution that the doctor gave us, was medication. And, in the cleaning and restoration business, I have my carpets in my home and my upholstery cleaned frequently, sometimes up to 4 times a year. And that only fixes it for so long, because if we're not addressing everything that's going on in the home, then you're not really going to be getting a total solution.
So you mentioned medication, but you see the cleaning part of it as important.
Absolutely.
4 times a year, that's a lot of cleaning.
I'm in the cleaning business, so I'm a little cuckoo about that. I'll admit to that. Honestly, even I'm pretty positive the EPA recommends every 6 to 12 months that we should be cleaning our carpets and soft goods. That doesn't necessarily happen. Most people are taking a longer time to clean their textiles, and I get it. Life's busy. We've got 63 million things going on all the time, and you forget about it, or it's something that you don't really worry about. But we wear our clothes when we wash them, don't we?
I think so. I think we do.
Most people.
Most people do. Okay, our closing question is, those watching, they want to know, what can they do to sell cleaning for health? Cleaning for health is not a new term.
We talk about asking 4 questions. It's really incorporating indoor air quality into your business, and having some type of full-time, year-long solution that can help to bridge the gap between professional cleanings. But asking things like, does anyone in your home suffer from allergies or asthma? Yes. Or have respiratory issues?
Yes.
Are you using any type of air purification? Have you Yes.
Yes, we do.
Do you use a dehumidifier?
Occasionally.
Occasionally, when it's actually working, when it's not full of water.
There you go.
And finally, have you noticed any mold growth yet? And really what you're doing is you're helping your client to connect the fact that, wait, there's other things in my home that may be triggering why I'm not feeling well. and I need to learn about these items so that I can feel better at home. My family can live in a clean, comfortable, and safe home. Incorporating the indoor air quality to our business it's really changed the game for us. Mm-hmm. And it's changed the game for our clients. They're able to live more comfortably in their home when they're at home in their castle, because we all know home is our castle. They're able to enjoy it more. And we're just inside so much that it's so important to have clean air.
Don't sell the dirty carpet, the stain. Sell clean.
Sell clean air,
Clean and healthy. Thank you, Amy.